Maria Sorga. This is Trixie Maristella representing Astorga Beer.
The first rule is to have an introvert spirit, and the second is to know things for what they really are. This is Christopher now, 17, Astorga! Bye-bye! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nordico Malilit Kanumba, 18, Barangay Inuayan!
Don't be discouraged if the time do not succeed at the very first try. Always remember, no one can learn to walk by only taking one step. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Venus Ra, 16, proudly represent Barangay Zone.
Babayan po ako sa iyong paninig, nakakabulis din. This is Barusha, 18, from Barangay Mulanon!
Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, studying, learning, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what